Hello, 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 hello. Hello, good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Yes, I know. Sorry to bother you so early this morning, sir. Yes, sir. I'm the one that has been calling for the last 11 months now, sir. Yes, sir. I'm sorry. No, I've just been asking and inquiring about a new work, sir. I see a position open up down there, sir, and I would just like to apply myself for it, sir. Yes, sir. I studied 5 years at Harvard University, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Biochemistry, sir. Yes, sir. Experience, sir? I don't have none, sir. Oh. Oh. All right then, sir.
You can call people. You have this one bag of paper we can't do nothing. You start the building a pile up. Look at you need to learn a skill, you know. You need to learn a skill.
Can't bother.
It's that time.